Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As you know, I came to do an AMD story. Today, I came to Centralia to start off showing you the whole process of what AMD is. So, let's crack on. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we're approaching where I would like to start talking about this stuff. So what is acid mine drainage? AMD, also known as acid mine drainage, at its most basic level is the water that flows through the coal mines, interacts with the rocks inside the mines, and flows from the surface features like steeps, boreholes, and tunnels. So ladies and gentlemen, what I'm approaching is the Centralia Tunnel. Kind of rear of the train I'm walking on. You see it's kind of sinks in a little bit as you walk. But the tunnel here is the entry of a mine from a long time ago. There it is, ladies and gentlemen. And what's coming out of that is not natural water. And it flows down the stream. And it's flowing pretty good, like a normal size stream would. So how does this happen? AMD occurs when minerals like pyrite, which is fool's gold, are exposed to the water and the air undergoing a chemical reaction called oxidation. That results in heavy metal. Example of that is like iron oxide, sedimentation at the bottom of the rivers, and streams, and our tributaries. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm trying to find a way to get a better view for you. I really don't know what I'm walking on here. I sank in real good there. Alright. Boy, that was dangerous. Well, here we are. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, I sank in real good right here. Look at this. It's a big hole there where I'm standing. But here we are again at the mine entrance. The Centralia Tunnel. Right here's a good example of how the water, the air, and the pyrite equal AMD. See a nice orange color. It's all settling there. Let's not forget to mention the smell. It is really horrible. It smells like rotten eggs and sulfur down here. Now let's travel several miles away and see what it does downstream other places. So here we are at the Cameron Bridge in Shamokin, Pennsylvania. This is considered one of the most polluted creeks in Pennsylvania. Being downstream from many mine operations, has more contributaries than I can count to add to this color of the water and its pollution level. I want to be mindful of this. This water is clearer than usual, being that with all the snow melting and all the fresh water flowing. This is also a testing area where EP Clamor comes and tests the water pH levels and all that good stuff in the pollution here. Ladies and gentlemen, let's walk along the creek here. Show you this old bridge up here. Pretty cool sight. I hope I can get to it. Again, today I'm following animal tracks in the woods. But we're now in the Shamokin area. Trying to be careful getting through everything. Here's an old train bridge. And you can see, zoom in hopefully, you can see the acid mine drainage stains everything where the certain levels were there. all the way down to what that tire is. Yeah, I figured I'd show you this spot real quick while we were here. Continue walking up under the bridge here. We'll actually get a really good look here in a second. Some more. I'm about brave enough to go up there on that spot for y'all. Yeah, it looks like it. So we're going to talk about what are the risks to the environment. AMD rises the iron levels and lowers the pH in the streams. When the water reacts with the minerals inside the coal mines, they release sulfuric acid and dissolves iron. These two things make it very hard for fish and microvertebrates to spawn and thrive in these streams. So as you see, there's like nothing here. So basic terms is no life could be in these streams. No fish, no crayfish, not even plant life is really thriving in around there. There's other pollutions as well. Not all AMD is created equal. Some net neutral or alkaline. Other heavy metals like aluminum occur in AMD and cause even different problems. Dissolved aluminum sticks to the fish gills, chokes them pretty much, you know, and nothing else can live off of that, you know, all these polluted metals in here. The more still the water is, it stinks more in this area. And you see a lot more orange. There's ways this can be fixed. There's ways of treating this kind of stuff. We're going to dive deep into that into another story at another time. Stay tuned for that in the future. After a bunch of research, so I can give you the best knowledge on that. Better than what I'm doing here today.